Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. This is One Man, One Camera. It's October 14th, about 2 in the afternoon, and I'm down here at Allegiant Stadium, just taking a quick peek to see what's going on. And as you can see, as everyone has noted, they have been smoothing out the area surrounding the stadium. I guess getting it ready for the parking lot. For the parking lot. That kind of hung there, didn't it? As you can see, there are numerous people on top of the stadium working away. From over close up, some gentlemen are talking right there. And let's see what these guys are doing. More guys there. Another guy there. Oh, check it out. It looks like they're manning those cables which are bringing up the roof. Now, I read that the roof is raised, I believe, 4 feet per day. I believe that's what I read. So it's going to take, several weeks for the roof to be completely secured. Okay, I can't get up high enough, but that tractor just came from the tray area where the field sits, and so unfortunately I don't have a drone or access to the field, or else I'd be in there trying to get some, nice shots. But this is the best I can do. Okay, I'm on Polaris, and let's take a look at the glass paneling. As you can see, it is quite shiny. And we've got the white stripe, and the gap is still there. I presume it'll get replaced one of these days. It gets fixed. Okay, now, but I wonder, because it can get dusty in Las Vegas sometimes, and I wonder if they're going to have this thing periodically cleaned, and so on. So it should be very interesting. You can see the reflection of some equipment in the glass. Very nice. And there's some guy on a cherry picker over there. Let's see, what else can we see over here? The back of the seats. Walking the plank, as I like to call it. Another individual working hard right there. All right, so we're on Hacienda Bridge. And let's take a look at the, although there's more ducks, pretty big, nice size. And on the ground, there are the lanai doors, just waiting and waiting to be installed. That was a truck, waiting to be installed. Where's the other ones at? There they are. See how they're curved, right? They gotta be curved. Okay. Now I wonder, I made the wrong word, but how much horsepower is required to move these doors once they're installed? You know, open and close them. Now here, let's see, the glass, okay? At the bottom trim, looks good. Got the saying, think safe, act safe, be safe. Thank you for that. Okay, now if we take a look at the glass, now the doors, the lanai doors go here, okay? And here is the trim for the glass. I wonder if the glass should end about right here, where this stop is right there, or so. I just wonder about that, that's all you guys. Just wondering. All right. Let's see what else is going on. Oh, and there are, oh man, there's a bug in my face. There are those white packages. Those are the glass panels yet to be installed. And the workers, I believe they're parking across the street in this parking lot. This tractor shot. Just putting along. All right, we're still on Hacienda Bridge, and let's take a look at the this former parking lot. Well, this former employee parking lot. It looks pretty smooth to me, but I'm not an engineer, so I presume they still have work to do. Now, there is some discussion. I haven't heard any final discussions on what this is going to be used for, and I'm still betting on rideshare, and along with the RTC, which is the Regional Transit Commission, the bus system here in Vegas, and the shuttles for the hotels. I'm betting on those guys being allocated this space for pickup and probably even drop off, because it's centralized, it's one location, it's static. And, you know, if you were running a shuttle, where would you want to park to wait for your riders? You know, outside of gate 10, outside of gate 5, we'll say, listen, all the shuttles are here. And maybe they'll be lobbed off, maybe hotel shuttles in your one area, you know, RTC buses, and then your Lyft and your Ubers sort of thing will be over here. I don't know, but they have to do something because, you know, it's a lot of folks. All right, now, let's take a look at the Hacienda. Now, I did read recently that there was some monies allocated to improve this overpass to make it more pedestrian friendly, but you know, I don't know what else they can do really, because it's only going to be on game day, well, also on concerts, I guess, also, so who knows. Additionally, I read somewhere that Elon Musk, Mr. Tesla, Mr. Boring Company, was trying to get some sort of people mover down here also, from the hotels, casinos to here, but more on that later, I guess, because I'm not really sure. This is a nice view, huh? Hey. All right, you guys. Okay. Well, I think I am done for today. I want to thank you all for joining me as always. And like I always say, if you see me outside, say hello, and I will say hello back. I want you all to take care wherever you are, and have a great day. All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks a million. Good day.